we started thinking about, how do we scale this up and make it more repeatable, cheaper, more affordable, and faster to build indoor maps. And so we kind of settled on this notion of two-dimensional indoor maps, so like floor plans, but that are vectorized into GIS data formats and then geo-referenced. But making the GIS floor aware, and this is really an Esri concept about taking indoor spaces and maps of indoor spaces and making them floor aware. And so what that means is you can have features in a layer in a GIS, but they're associated with floor 1, and different features that are associated with floor 2 and floor 3 and so on. And then you can display tools for the end user like floor pickers that enable the end users to switch between different views of the building and different floors. So I think the floor aware display was really key.